welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to talk about the lumbar vertebrae. So yeah, this is the lumbar vertebrae. This is the anatomical position, and yeah, so this is the body. The lumbar vertebrae. This is the superior articular surface, the vertebral foramen, the lamina, the spine, the pedicel over here. This is the transverse process, the accessory process, the mammillary process. There are three processes: inferior articular process, four processes. Then then going opposite way. And then again, this is the body. This is the vertebral foramen. Then over here becomes the mammillary process. This is the lamina. Then this is the superior articular process. This is the transverse process over here. Then this is the spine over here. Okay. Then now the attachments of the lumbar vertebra. The anterior longitudinal ligament attaches here. The crus of diaphragm over here. The psoas fascia over here. Then the psoas major over here, all these this way. Then the multifidus over here. Then that's it. Then there's not much in the lumbar vertebra, so that's it for today. Do leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss a video from the That Physio Teacher. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay safe. Sayonara.